Yo, what's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. Well, today I'm replacing these bushings, these striker bushings. I went to the junkyard and I picked up all these roller bushings, got it off all the doors. I could have bought this whole unit brand new, but man, they were like 13 a piece, 15 a piece. Sorry about that if you hear the wind. But so I just decided, you know what, this is good still. The bolt's good. I just needed a bushing. So what I did, like I said, I went to the junkyard. I picked up as many bushings as I can. I just needed 4, but I just picked up some more extras. And I got some of this white lithium grease, sprayed it inside the bushing onto the bolt. That way it'll be nice and greased. And then just gonna put it back on here. I've already done the driver's side. So nice and smooth. And I just replaced the bushing. Put some of that grease in it. Now it turns nice and free. Just like that. I'm gonna get this one together and then I'll bring you guys back. All right. So I got the bolt in, got it all torqued down. Even greased it a little bit. And in order to access, to remove it, you're gonna need a T50 Torx on a 3/8 ratchet. Yeah. Like butter. So that's my fix. Instead of buying the whole unit, I just go to the junkyard and steal as many bushes as I can. And it saves me time, saves me a lot of money. It's all good. That's going to do it, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments. Peace.